Alright, we're going to be doing an oil pressure gauge for the 302 Windsor today. Gonna need these fittings, because what we're going to do is we're going to take that guy out of there and replace it with this guy. Then this guy, we're going to put the sensor into one of these two, and then we're going to hook up our gauge in the other port. You'll see. So there's your sensor, and I don't have an oil gauge in my bullnose, so all this is for is the dummy light on the dash for oil pressure. Oh yeah, and it's a 27 mil. Okay, that's how it's gonna sit in there. And if you take a 7/8 on the end of that block right there, you can use that to tighten it up, and it works pretty good. But we've got it aimed pretty good. Should miss the power steering here all right, and there should be room for the sensor. Gonna have to move my fuel line around, but that's okay. Now, I could have moved stuff and unhooked and blah blah blah, but then how am I gonna know if it's gonna clear everything? Yeah, just so you guys know, I'm a dumbass. I don't know what I'm doing, so follow at your own risk, all right? Okay, dummy light sensor hooked up. Now, I'm gonna have to run this plastic tube. Okay, so a little close to the header, but maybe she'll be all right. We'll find out. Anyway, if it burns through, I'll upgrade. And we're coming up here, going through that rubber. We're gonna see. Going through the mud here. Whereabouts that comes through under the cab. Oh, there it is, right there. Comes in, under, out. Okay, we got her all hooked up. We're gonna do a first start here. One pump. Baby climb. Jeez, that's pretty good. 60 psi almost. Damn. How's it now? Wow. Pretty happy with that for Mystery 302. There's any leaks anywhere. Try and avoid the death fan. Sweet. Nice. Now, if I could go back, the only thing I would have changed is I would have got the copper line. For sure. Probably would have been a lot easier to work with. It's not going to melt from the header, but you know, we'll see how it goes. See how long it lasts. If it melts through, I'll update you guys, but for now, I think we're done. No wonder my blower fan isn't working. Fucking mud daubers. God damn it. Alright, haven't opened it up yet. Let's see. Oh, clean. No mice. That's crazy.